some of the things you want to look at from a maintenance standpoint with your water heater, you look along the vent pipe. If you find soot along the edge of this vent pipe where the flue is coming in, you probably have a problem with air coming back down, pushing the flue gases out into the room and can create carbon monoxide. One of the other things you want to look for is down in the burner unit. In the burner unit, you can look around the edges of this cover or the interior cover for that same soot buildup. If you have soot buildup, it could be either that you have a leaky water heater that's creating an inefficient burn, or you could have the same thing with the flue gases pushing down into the burner and pushing carbon monoxide out into the room.